Ahoy, Little Argonauts! Today we are embarking on a grand voyage to explore the greatest mystery on our Earth. It's not a giant machine made of cold metal, but a living engine made of water. Welcome to our beautiful blue planet. It hangs in the darkness like a shining jewel. It looks like a perfect, limitless water park, doesn't it?
This is the Great Reservoir. Did you know the ocean holds 70% of all the water on Earth? It is salty, rich, and teeming with life. For the whale gliding above and the colorful coral below, this world is perfect. It is their beautiful home, and they have everything they need to thrive in the deep.
And the land is just as magnificent. Endless green forests, towering mountains, and amazing animals. But this lush paradise runs on a very different fuel. While the ocean thrives on salt, the land needs fresh water to survive. But how does nature separate the salt from the water to keep the forests green and the animals healthy?
So, how does the water cross the world and leave the heavy salt behind? It requires a brave pilot. Meet Nano. He is tiny, but he has a very big dream: to build a bridge across the sky. He is the brave little engine of the water cycle, and his journey is about to begin.
Gravity holds Nano down in the heavy ocean. To escape, he needs raw energy. The sun acts as a massive battery, charging him with heat. Nano vibrates faster and faster, shaking off the heavy chains of the liquid ocean water. He is finally ready to fly.
Look! He transforms! Nano puts on his ghost suit and becomes invisible vapor. The salt is too heavy to fly, so it stays behind in the sea. Now, lighter than air, Nano floats upward on the wind. This is the only way water can travel uphill across our planet, by becoming vapor and riding the sky. Look at Nano soaring high. He's drifting gracefully above the lush emerald forest. Deep below him, the trees act like giant pumps, pulling water from the soil and breathing it out into the air as misty vapor. We call this transpiration, the forest's amazing breath, carrying Nano toward the sky.
High up in the atmosphere, the air turns very cold. Our brave Nano loses his heat energy and begins to cool down. He finds a tiny speck of floating dust, and click, he grabs hold tight and begins his magical change, turning back into liquid water. Nano is now ready to join the giant flying river we call a cloud.
The cloud reaches the freezing mountain peaks. Nano doesn't just get cold, he builds himself a powerful suit of armor. He skips the liquid phase and becomes a solid, beautiful crystal. This sharp geometric shape is his secret weapon against the winter cold. He is strong, frozen, and ready to complete the next stage of his epic adventure.
Nano falls as beautiful snow. This isn't just pretty decoration, it is a vital storage system for our planet. By freezing solid, Nano stays on the high mountain, creating a massive battery of water that waits for the spring sun to finally release its life-giving power.
Spring arrives, the sun warms the peaks, and the water battery begins to melt. Nano returns to his liquid self, feeling happy and refreshed for the next phase of his voyage. But he doesn't just run off the surface. He has a much deeper mission today.
Nano dives deep underground. He travels through the dark soil and layers of earth, getting filtered and cleaned by the ground itself. This is groundwater, the invisible treasure that flows beneath our feet. This hidden journey purifies every single drop,
keeping the water fresh and clean for the entire world to use when it returns.
After his long, dark journey, Nano finally emerges. Clean, filtered, and full of life, he pops out into a forest spring. This is the moment where the earth gives its pure gift back to the surface, feeding the rivers with the fresh water we all need to survive. Nano flows through the rivers, delivering life to plants and animals. Finally, he reaches the end of the road. With one last leap, Nano is back in the Great Reservoir. The journey is complete. Nano is home at last, in the deep blue ocean. Now, let's discover some of the most interesting secrets about water. Secret number 1. Water is the world's ultimate magician. It is the only element on our planet that naturally exists in all 3 states: liquid, gas, and solid. Without this incredible shape-shifting ability, the planetary circuit would stop forever, and all life on Earth would disappear. Nano is a true master of every single form. Secret number 2. Let's bust a big myth. Raindrops are not shaped like tears. As Nano falls, air resistance pushes against his bottom, flattening him into a sphere that looks like a hamburger bun. That classic tear shape only exists in cartoons, not in the real sky. Secret number 3. Why does ice float? When Nano freezes, he actually expands by 9%. The ice crystals push apart, making him lighter than the liquid water. If ice shrank like other elements, lakes would freeze from the bottom up, destroying all life. Nano's expansion keeps the world safe and the fish swimming below. Secret number 4. Water follows very strict rules. It boils at exactly 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0. In fact, we invented the entire Celsius temperature scale just to measure how water behaves. Nano always follows the rules of the planetary thermometer. Secret number 5. This engine has been running for over 3 billion years. There is no new water being created. The water in your glass today is the exact same water that rained on the first volcanoes and hydrated the dinosaurs. When you take a sip, you are drinking a piece of Earth's ancient history. How cool is that? We are part of this beautiful circuit too. We borrow the water, we use it, and then we return it to the world. If we pollute the river, we pollute the ocean, and eventually the rain that falls back on us. Our future is tied to Nano's voyage. It is the great planetary engine. It has run for billions of years, keeping our entire world alive and healthy. From the deep ocean to the sky, to the mountain and back home again. It is a perfectly balanced and infinite loop of life for everyone to share. Our job is simple. Don't break the flow. Keep the water clean and keep it moving. Be a guardian of the planetary circuit. Thanks for watching, Little Argonauts. Nano will see you soon. Goodbye for now, and always protect the flow. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing adventures.